And last week, things are starting to look up. I had, let's go back to last month in June, I had one trade that was set to expire this week. PLTR did expire, so I'm going to put this as expired. Made $20 premium there. And then in July, so far, I've got just some small trades. Premium collected $7 here in this SoFi, AI, and had a trade out on NVIDIA, which has some good premium there. This needs to be minus 203. So I made $89.97 on that. I originally made 92 premium, and then I rolled this out. So it cost me $2 to roll this out because the stock price went way up beyond my original strike of 20. So I upped the strike to 123, collected another 123 there. I've decided to go with less, multiple trades on small unknown stocks and go for some bigger stocks. And NVIDIA is a good one right now. It's very popular, and it's a solid company. It's not really going to go up or down too much. There's some volatility, so there is some premium there. But the price now, since the split, is it's easy to pick up 100 shares and be able to deal with that. So I might use that as my main covered call, cash secured put. I might use PLTR as well. There's some potential there, but so far this month I've collected 633. That's with the dividends from AMZ, which I expect to be about, let's see, AMZ, I've got 469 shares, and the price came out at 76 is what they're distributing. That's the distribution price was 76 cents, I believe, so 469 times 0.76 is 356. Yeah, 76.5 is the distribution per share, so that means 356 dividends plus some other dividends here of 43.71. That puts me up to 633 so far this month, and it's just a week into July, so looking good as far as getting to my goal of 1,000 per month here, as long as everything works out. Yeah, again, I'm going to make less trades and some maybe some spreads on some things like SPY, some stocks that for me are unaffordable to buy outright, but I can do some spreads maybe and use that to my advantage to not have to come up with so much capital and still make a good amount of premium. So that's kind of it, quick and dirty for this short week. I'll have more to show next week. Hopefully get this number up to maybe 1,000 a month in the next week. One good thing is that my account has stayed above 40,000. I haven't put anything into it for the last couple of months, and so that's good. Hopefully I can stay above 40 and just move on from there. Hopefully by the end of the year, maybe be up to 58,000, which was my goal. On other notes, let's see, I'm still working on the sale of my condo, so I'll hopefully have like $285,000 to dump into this in a couple months and really scale this thing up and maybe go full time. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Let's see you on the next one.